get started, go to ws.edu and click on My WS at the top of the page. Next, log in with your My WS credentials. Please note, before you can register for classes, you must meet with your advisor. Once you've completed your advising session, you will be allowed to register for classes. Prior to registering, you will need to answer a financial responsibility statement. This alert will be an action item in your My WS account. All students must complete this statement before you are able to look up or register for classes. On the My WS homepage, click on the icon labeled Register. Next, click on Student, then Registration. From here, you can select Register and Drop Classes to look up and register for classes, or Browse Classes to view a list of classes and information. Please note, you cannot register from the Browse Classes page. To register, click on Register and Drop Classes. Select the term you wish to register for and click Continue. To search for a class, enter the subject for the course in the search box. As you begin typing, the subjects will appear in a drop-down. Select the subject of your intended class. You can also choose to enter the course number in the course number field. Another option is to click on the Advanced Search drop-down arrow. This will give you additional search fields to choose from. Popular search fields may include campus, instructional methods, days of the week, or open sections only. Once you have selected at least one search criteria, click Search. Course sections that meet your search criteria will display on the next page. If your search returns numerous results, you can either scroll through the pages or change the number of results per page. If you are unsatisfied with the results, you may need to click Search again to revise your search criteria. The course title, subject, course number, section, credit hours, CRN, term, instructor, meeting days and times, campus, seating capacity, and other course information will be displayed. You can filter the columns with the tool icon. You can also expand the meeting times column or hover over it to show additional information such as the instructional method, building, and room number. Please note the days that the course meets will be highlighted in blue. For instance, Econ 2100-001 is highlighted TT. This indicates the course meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Econ 2100-A01 is highlighted MW, indicating the course meets on Mondays and Wednesdays. Next, check the campus column to make sure the class is offered on the desired campus. For online courses such as Econ 2100-W91, you will notice that there are no days highlighted, and the campus indicates that it is an online class. This is because online courses have no set meeting times and are not specific to any campus. Next, the status column shows the number of remaining seats. If a course is listed as full, that means that the course has met its maximum capacity, and there are no available seats to register. It will also indicate if there is a time conflict with another class you have added to your schedule. Once you click the course title, a pop-up box will display with information specific to that course selection. The tabs on the left will provide additional information. For example, a course description includes the course description from the catalog, the instructional method, and individual section information. In this hybrid class, for example, the section information text says that the instructor will announce in class and in eLearn what days the class will meet in person. The section information will be especially beneficial for hybrid and learning support courses, Some learning support courses may be paired with a specific co-requisite section. The section information text will have specific course notes that include the exact CRN. Once you have identified a course that you would like to register for, click on the Add button. This will place the course in your Summary section. Please note, at this point, you are not registered for the course. The status is gray and listed as pending on both the Summary and Schedule at the bottom left. Once you have added all the courses that you would like to register for, click Submit. This will change the status to green and Registered. Under Schedule, the status now has a green checkbox. This indicates that you are officially registered for the course. To register for additional courses, click Search. Then follow the same steps until you've registered for all of the courses on your desired schedule. Please note, the Co-Requisites tab will show courses that must be taken in the same semester. This is beneficial for science classes that require both lecture and lab courses. For example, the Introduction to Biology lecture course requires you to also take the Introduction to Biology lab course simultaneously. If your advisor provided you with a list of CRNs for the classes you plan to take, click the Enter CRNs tab. Enter a course's 5-digit CRN in the box, then click Add another CRN. As you add each CRN, it will list the class title and section number to the right. Once you have entered all the CRNs in your schedule, click Add to Summary. Please review all of the courses in your summary to make sure they are correct. Then click Submit.